Hey, welcome back to Getting Started with Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, Part 3. So by the end of this video, you're going to have a pretty good understanding of what affiliate marketing is and basically what you need in order to become successful if you watched Part 1 and Part 2 of this series. Now, if you haven't watched Part 1 or Part 2 of this series, I highly recommend going back and checking those out. And just to give you a quick recap, in Part 1, I covered what affiliate marketing is, how to find an affiliate program, what to look for when picking an affiliate program, picking a niche, and also picking a product. In Part 2, I covered where to promote your affiliate products, also getting traffic, how to promote your products the right way. I also shared some tools and resources that you can use to help you become more successful, and I also shared the importance of building an email list. Now, in this video, Part 3, I'm going to be sharing how to get people to give you their email, how to give a call to action, and also how to promote other products to the people who are already on your email list. All right, so let me just get right into it. So if you invested into an email software service or you're using a free trial, then I'm going to show you how to get people to give you their email. Now, if you haven't invested into an email software, then you can just go ahead and skip to the next part of this video. So in order for you to get people to give you their email, you need to give them a reason to. If you just tell people, give me your email so you can receive updates, I mean, honestly, nobody's really going to want to do that. People don't really care about updates from you or your brand or the product that you're promoting. They need something that will benefit them before they're ready to give you their email. So this is where you need something that's called a lead magnet. So anytime somebody enters in their email, they're added to your email list, they're considered a lead. Basically, a lead is somebody who is showing interest in what you have to offer, but they're not ready to make a buying decision yet. So giving something to them that will benefit them in exchange for the email is considered a lead magnet, because you're offering something that will attract them to become your leads. Now, like I mentioned, a lead magnet is something that you usually give away for free in exchange for someone's email. A lead magnet can be something like a PDF download that somebody can get, like an ebook. It can be a video that they can watch when they enter in their email. It can be a survey that they can take, and they get the results of that survey when they enter in their email. Now, a couple of examples of a lead magnet: if you're in the make money online niche, you can share a free report that talks about the 4 high profit business models to start earning money online. And for somebody to get access to that, they would have to enter in their email. Now, if you're in the health and wellness niche, you can share a 7-day meal guide for the keto diet recipe. And in order for them to get access to that, they would have to enter in their email. Now, if you're having trouble trying to figure out what lead magnet you should have in order to get people's email, this goes back to knowing who your target customer is. What are some of the problems that they're dealing with? And what's at least one problem that you can solve with your lead magnet? Now, how do you create a lead magnet? Well, you can create a simple ebook using Google Docs. You can just download that file as a PDF and then re-upload it onto Google Drive. And anytime somebody gives you their email, you can give them access to that Google Drive. And you can create a pretty basic ebook cover using a website called canva.com. And this is the website right here, canva.com. It's a free website that you can use to create all types of custom artwork, ranging from ebook covers, YouTube thumbnails, posts for Instagrams, flyers, logos, business cards, whatever. So I covered how to make a YouTube thumbnail in a previous video using canva.com, and I'll have a card up here or up here if you want to check that out. But it's a pretty useful website to go with just to make custom artwork for free. Or if you don't want to go through the trouble of creating an ebook, writing it out, and making the artwork for it, you can just come to Fiverr.com and just simply pay somebody to create a simple ebook for you. Now, if you don't know what Fiverr.com is, it's a freelance website where you can come to and just simply pay somebody to do a certain type of job for you. So as you can see, they have all types of different services that you can pay somebody for. So all you have to do is just type in ebook. And then you have people who will create an ebook for you. Now, there's different prices available, so depending on what your budget is, I mean, you can have somebody do something like for as low as $20 all the way up to $900, which is kind of expensive. Or if you don't feel like creating an ebook, what you can do is just simply record a video on YouTube and then direct people to that video when they enter in their email address, as long as that video is going to be solving a problem that they're having, or at least giving them value. Now, when you create a lead magnet, this is what you're going to have on your landing page. And this is basically what you're going to be advertising whenever somebody comes to your landing page. And for them to get access to it, they're going to have to enter in their email. So let me just show you like a demonstration. So this right here is a demonstration of a landing page, or what's also known as an opt-in page. So basically anytime somebody enters in their email, they're opting into your email list. That's why it's called an opt-in page. Or landing page, squeeze page, it's all the same thing. So you're going to advertise your lead magnet on your landing page. And whenever somebody enters in their email, they're going to get access to it. Now remember, I talked about creating a landing page and a bridge page in part 2. That's basically where you're using a sales funnel builder software. So let's just say, for example, that your lead magnet is going to be that 7-day meal plan for the keto diet. Now, for somebody to get access to that free 7-day meal plan, they have to enter in their email. And when they do, they're going to be taken to what's called a bridge/thank you page. Now, usually a bridge or a thank you page has a short video on it. And this is basically where you're going to be introducing the offer that you're going to be promoting as an affiliate. So, for example, the video that you have on your bridge or thank you page can be something like, hey, thank you for showing your interest. Thanks for entering your email. Make sure to check your email for the 7-day meal guide to the keto diet. Now, I want to give you a special offer to a limited time discounted price for the custom keto diet. So the purpose of your lead magnet is to solve one problem that they're having, and your affiliate offer should go further into solving another problem for a cost, if that makes sense. Okay, so real quick, if you're getting value from this video, then do me a favor and go down and hit the like button. It really helps out this video. And if you're new to my channel, this channel is about teaching other people how to make money online so they don't have to live paycheck to paycheck. Now, if you want to be a part of that, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let me talk about giving people a call to action. So this is a pretty simple one. This is just simply letting people know what you want them to do next. Because if you go through all the trouble of creating a sales page, creating a bridge page video, and people watch that, but you don't give them a call to action, they're going to be like, okay, that was a good presentation. I'll go somewhere else now. You need to give people a specific call to action on what you want them to do next. Because if you don't, then they just simply won't do it. Yeah, you might get a few people here and there, but you'd be missing out on the potential to get a lot of new leads and customers if you're not giving them a specific call to action. So if you're promoting a product and you want people to buy that product, after you show them the value in that product, the benefits of using that product, or why they need that product, you have to be direct, and you can just simply say something like, click here to learn more, or click here to get access to it, or click here to get this product for yourself. You don't have to say it in a demanding tone or an angry tone. You can just be pretty casual about it and just simply let people know where they can get access to the product. Now, the last part I wanted to cover in this video is how to promote other products to people who are already on your email list. So let's say that you have an email list of 1,000 people. And just for example, you promoted the custom keto diet offer to them. Now let's say half of those people, which is 500, bought that product and the other half didn't. And this is after you sent a few emails out to them, to everybody who's on your list, and just showing them the value in that product, why they need it, how it would benefit them, etc. So let's say this is for the custom keto diet. You shared a 7-day meal plan for your lead magnet. They entered in their email, they got the offer, and let's say half of them did not buy the product, the custom keto diet, and the other half did. So you sent them a series of emails showing them why they need the product, how it would benefit them, maybe limited time discount for the product, and half of them still didn't buy the product. What you have to keep in mind is that not everybody is going to like the same product. Maybe some people, they don't like the keto diet. Maybe they tried it, they didn't like it, or they're just not interested in it. So what you can do is offer them another product that is related to your niche. So if you're in the health and fitness niche, what you can do is offer them something like a pre-workout supplement. Now, if you don't know what a pre-workout is, it's something that you take before you work out, hence the name pre-workout, and it just gives you more energy, more focus, and just helps people with see more results, get a better pump from working out, lifting weights, all that. So what you can do to the people who didn't buy the custom keto diet is you can send them an email saying, hey, check out this new pre-workout. It's better than the competition, or it's this new pre-workout that a lot of bodybuilders use. This will help you improve your workouts at the gym, and it might get them faster results as opposed to not using it or using another pre-workout. So this is basically how you do repeat business with people who already bought something for you, or just promote another product from people who are on your email list who did not purchase the original affiliate offer that you were promoting. Now, this is another reason why I mentioned it's important to continuously grow your email list. I mentioned this in part 2. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. And if you watch all 3 parts of this series, then you have a pretty good understanding of what affiliate marketing is and how you can start earning money with it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll leave links for all the resources that I mentioned throughout this series in the description down below. Now, if you want to get more advanced training on learning affiliate marketing, then I highly recommend checking out the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. It's a $7 course that teaches you way more than what I've covered in this video series, and it's taught by somebody who's been in affiliate marketing for over 10 years and has earned over $250 million in sales. So if you want to check that out, I'm going to leave that link. It's going to be the very first link in the description below. Well, I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video series, and if you enjoyed it, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, then you know where to leave them down in the comments below. Well, that's pretty much it. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.